Hey, welcome to episode of Beers, Jack, and Barbecue. I'm Craig, man behind the camera's Jack. Today, I know it sounds like a repeat because we've done a few of these before, but two beautiful, still gonna call them Tomahawks. I know that bone's a little short to be called a Tomahawk, but I'm still going with Tomahawk because that's how they sell them and that's what we like to call them. So, on the Rec Tec 590. So, something I never thought I would attempt to do is cook some big steaks like this on a pellet grill, but this pellet grill's been pretty amazing. Once you see inside, I actually have two pieces of grill grates set up in there, just letting them warm up. I have the grill running at 250 right now. We're gonna put the steaks in indirectly, of course, on a pellet stove, and then bring them off when they get to about, I think only about 110. Even though they're this thick, I'm gonna really try to get a hard sear on them if I can. And once I get the sear, I like it if they aren't quite to 125 where we like them, where we like our steaks, which is the rare to low end to medium rare. I'll bring them on the indirect side for a little bit just until they get up to temperature, and they'll carry over some as well. But that's kind of the cook tonight. It's not going to be, a real long one because I'm going to put them on, let them get a temperature, probably flip them when they get to about 80, and sear them off at the end. So we'll see you on the grill. All right, let's get these things on. It's gonna get a little loud when I open this hood up. So I'm gonna probe them, like I said, the whole time, which is what I normally do. Just gonna get for temperature there. Just so we can keep an eye on things. So we'll bring it back out to depend between 75 and 80. We'll see where we go to. All right, so we just hit 75 on both. I figured I'm gonna turn them now. Just to promote, like I said, some even cooking. When they get to like 110, I'm gonna pull them off, and we're going to crank this thing up to the highest setting it has, which is like 550-ish, and we'll get them ready for the sear. So we'll see you when we hit 110. All right, so we just hit 110 with the one, 108 with the other. I actually just turned it up to full when I hit 103. Gonna pull them off, let them rest for a while we get the grill smoke crazy hot. Get rid of the probes. And we'll bring you back when we throw them on the grill grates. I'm probably going to move them to the center of the grill as well. All right, so now we're going to get them on. It's temperature saying 534. I got the grill grates here on the center. Getting like 600 degrees reading there. So that'd be good for the sear. Gonna brush these with some butter just to kind of help promote the searing part of it. Also want to spray the rack real quick just to kind of help for no sticking. All right, let's get this thing searing. All right, we're gonna leave it on for about a minute and a half. All right, I'm thinking when I put these on, I didn't put them on the butter side, so I'm gonna flip these over. I'll butter the top before we flip them the next time. See what we got for us here. That looks pretty good. All right, before I flip them next time, I'm gonna butter them this way, but we'll leave them sear now for another minute and a half. All right, so we were just over a minute there. Gonna actually get some butter on these for sure. Get smoked out. It's actually looking like a nice sear we got going there, though. All right, let's go a minute that side again. All right, that was another minute, so we're just gonna do one more side here. Boy, they're looking perfect. We'll bring it back when we pull them off here, but it's gonna be 1 minute this side yet. All right, that was a minute again. Just wanna get a quick reading here on the center. Yeah, it's hard to see here, but we're at like 127. Got some flame happening. We want to get these babies off. All right, we're gonna let them rest and we'll cut into them. As always, cheers. Get that out of the way. So here we are. End of the cook, 2 tomahawks. I didn't say in the beginning, but we kind of have a thing where we always break in a grill with a tomahawk. And we got this grill in spring when everything was going on, and we weren't able to get tomahawks. So we finally were able to get some this last holiday. So we stocked up on a few, and we have yet another one to shoot on another grill at one point. But like I said, have to do it. So what I did today was ran the grill at 250 degrees. Let me just go back one quick step: is salt brine these 24 hours in advance. Put them on here, indirect, well, pellet grill, 250 degrees the whole time. Had the grill grates on there the whole time to warm up. When they got to about 75, we flipped them, got to 110, pulled them off, let them sit, cranked up the grill to, saying like 550. The grill grates were reading over 600 degrees. So, and you also will notice I had the grill grates flipped upside down to get the flat spot, because I wanted a sear kind of crust, almost like doing the cold grate technique on another grill. So there's no grill marks on it. I just want to sear all over the steak. Looks like it worked out. So we were reading about 130 or so when I pulled them off. So hopefully it didn't go too far, but only went to 110 when we pulled them off previously. So gonna cut into them, see what it looks like. Nice and tender. Caught bone there a little bit. But turn this so you can see it in the camera here. Looks like a medium rare to me, so I'm going to grab a piece off of here to do the taste test and see how it worked out. It's an excellent bite. Definitely tastes the salt brine from last night, which I love, and you got a little bit of that crust on there. Like I said, before I got this grill, I would never thought about doing a steak like this on a pellet grill. But using it this way and having that grill grates to get the sear done kind of worked out perfect. So hopefully like what you're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell notifications every time we put one out, and we'll see you next time.